Introducing NZO SEA a solar panel cleaning sprinkler engineered specifically for real on-site challenges faced by EPCs such as time pressure, labor dependency, and inconsistent installations. Seahorse features a universal clamp, snap-fit piping system, and zero accessory requirement. It eliminates complex plumbing, reduces installation time, and simplifies execution at site. The result is a cleaner and more organized installation across the solar plant. Simple to understand and easy to install, Seahorse is built for scale. It is designed for long-term outdoor durability and reliable performance. Having 180-degree spray coverage, Seahorse ensures edge-to-edge panel cleaning, improving efficiency and extending system life. For support or queries, contact the NZO Energy team.